Question number 4 is very similar to question number 3, except now at the end cash line you need to have an end cash that is at least equal to 10% of the current month's expenses. Again, there's a trick you can use to use goal seek, or you don't have to, but I will show you that you can create an additional line here, which is the 10% of expenses, and I will make that as 0.1 times, and then the product of the fixed expenses, the sum of fixed expenses and variable expenses. So in this column, in this cell at this point, I'm going to have my 10% of the fixed and variable expenses. And now for every month, I will need to make sure that my growth rate is such that I have my end cash greater than this 10% of expenses. And again, you can compare these numbers just by looking at them, or you could find a little trick that will allow you to use goal seek to directly find the growth rate. That will make sure that your end cash is always greater than the 10% of expenses for that month, which will give you the growth rate for that particular question, which is question number 4.